Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which will calculate the distance between two locations inside the terminal. So for this we are using the Geopy package inside Python. It's an open source package, and it actually does the geocoding. It calculates the latitude, longitude, and then it calculates the distance between these two locations. So let me just execute the script here. So as you execute the script, it will ask you to enter the location from which you will be starting. So the source location, so you can just write any location. Let's suppose I say, then I say the destination location. So now it will calculate the distance between these two locations. So distance between Delhi to Bhopal, you will see 595 kilometer and 369 miles. So you can see it exactly telling, and we can also verify it by typing it to Google. We'll see it is around about 764 kilometer, and what this is returning to us round about very similar. So you can do this for any location. So it can be, so you will see. So now let me show you the package here. So the package name is Geopy. So just search for this. So this is actually the package. So simply install this by executing this command. So after you do this, so now you just need to import the packages. Geopy contains this one. After that, we also need to import Geopy distance. From this, you just need to import this one. After that, we will define a function which will calculate the distance. But before that, we just need to take the address from the user. So using the input function. So, so we take both the addresses. Now we call a simple function which will calculate the distance between the address 1 and address 2. So then we define this function. So simply inside this function, we initialize this package like this. After that, we simply take do the geocoding by using this geolocator.geocode. This will actually convert the address into latitude and longitude so that we can calculate the distance. So first of all, we convert this into latitude and longitude, get coordinates, and then using these coordinates, so we simply say location 1 dot latitude and location 1 dot longitude, and same thing we will do this for location 2. So then after that we will calculate the difference between these two coordinates to get the distance in kilometer. So we use this So we need to get this distance in kilometers. So we say, and similarly to get the distance in miles. So after getting this, we can simply print this, very simply print the distance. So this completes the application. I have given the script in the description of this video. Then you just write. So you will see that you can even cross verify. We'll take another example, let's suppose. So you can see Pune to Mumbai, it's like this. So in this way, you can calculate distance between two locations using this package inside Python. So there you can see we are not using any sort of API key. It can be used unlimited number of time to do the geocoding and calculate distance. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.